progress. Now I've printed teeny tiny, you can't see those, they're black. It's hard with black. End caps to go there. I can't see. They're going in there. Look at that. I didn't bother doing the screw thread. There was no point. I'm not going to screw them in. I'm just going to glue them in with some silicone. So I'll need to do the lacquer first. Otherwise the silicone will stop the lacquer sticking, because silicone, as you know, gets everywhere like ants and dogs. Right, on with the lacquer. There's one of the two lamp fittings. I'm not going to muck about with these. I think I'll leave them as they are, but I will put a squirt of WD down the sprung pins because they're a little bit sticky. They're a little bit sticky. That'll do it. Just free them up. Because PPE. I'm not spraying paint without this on. And a glove. This paint sprays everywhere. So there it is then. That's a pair of lights restored. Fitted. Should we call that a wrap? I'm going back in. I don't normally stand on the porch in my pyjamas. Bye for now. See you on the next video.